Oh, it's really wobbly.
What happens when you overproof your loaf? I was away overnight, so I couldn't bake the loaves when I would normally do, and they ended up over 36 hours in the fridge. As you can see, they look a bit misshapen and are very wobbly. I also tried 2 different shaping techniques here to see if it makes any difference to the overall look of the loaf. Let's see how they've baked.
Here are my 2 overproofed loaves. I had tried 2 different shaping techniques on them, but they both turned out roughly the same rubbish thing. They were in the fridge for 36 hours, which basically over fermented the dough, so they came out really slack, as you saw in the previous video. But, you know, they're baked okay, they're gone very flat, but I bet you they're really going to be really tasty. So let's, you know, really nice sound. Let's cut this one open. Crumbs springing everywhere. Let's have a look. Yeah, look at that. Really nice crust. Looks really nice inside. Still got some decent spring. Looks really good. And the other one, I bet you looks exactly the same. Yeah, exactly the same. So shaping technique doesn't really make any difference. Both the same, nice and soft. So don't get too hung up about shaping. Just give it a try and enjoy.